In this video, I am going to discuss Grade 9, Unit 12, Revision Questions, Lesson Biodiversity. These are the questions. Here I have given 12 questions. You can write the answers for these questions by holding this video. Then I am going to explain one by one. You can correct your answers. Now let's see one by one. The question number 1. What are the three components of an ecosystem? Ecosystem contains three components: living things, non-living things, and their interactions. Question number 2. Give example for each component. Ecosystems have plants and different types of animals as living things. Microorganisms also belongs to this group. Non-living things, water, sunlight, soil, air can be considered as non-living things. And interactions, these living things have interactions in ecosystem for their habitat, to get energy, to get shelter. Question number 3. What are the 4 types of diversities in environment? Environment has 4 types of diversities: biodiversity, species diversity, genetic diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Question number 4. Name 2 extinct animals. In your textbook, it has given dinosaurs and mammoths. Question number 5. Name 3 threats for biodiversity. Deforestation, chemical fertilizers, harmful gases, different industries, irregular human settlements. These are the threats for biodiversity. Other than these, you can write addition of garbage, some human activities like unwanted constructions, releasing fertilizers during agriculture, adding chemicals to soil, adding chemicals to water, all are threats for biodiversity. Question number 6. What is the difference between estuary and lagoon? You have to explain your answer by 2 facts. Estuary is a place where rivers fall into the sea, and lagoon is a place which has no permanent connection with the sea during some seasons. And also, estuaries have delta-shaped sand heaps, and lagoons do not have delta-shaped sand heaps. Delta shape means triangular shaped sand heaps. Question number 7. Compare the temperature values of 4 types of forest. These are the 4 types of forest. Wet evergreen forest, its temperature in between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. And dry mixed evergreen forest, their temperature is 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. And montane forest, their temperature is less than 24 degrees Celsius. And thorny shrubs and woods, their temperature is 32 to 35 degrees Celsius. because wet evergreen forests are situated in the wet zone and dry mixed evergreen forests are in the dry zone and montane forests are in the central hills and thorny shrubs and woods are in the semi-arid zone. Question number 8. Compare the rainfall values of 4 types of forest. Again, the 4 types of forest, we have to compare their rainfall. This is annual rainfall. Wet evergreen forest, it has more than 2500 millimeter rainfall. And dry mixed evergreen forest, it has 2000 to 2500 millimeter rainfall. And montane forest, it has 3000 to 3500 millimeter rainfall. And thorny shrubs and woods, it has very low rainfall amount, less than 2000 millimeters. Question number 9. What is the difference between Damana and Talava according to their location? Damana and Talava both are grasslands. Daman is situated low country dry zone. Talava is situated low country wet zone. Name 3 adverse effects of industrial environment. Here also I have given only 3 answers, but you can write other than these: sound pollution, air pollution, land pollution. Other than this, you can write vehicle horns, then harmful gases released to the environment like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, vehicle smoke, and industrial waste, garbage, soil fertilizers, chemicals. You can write anything. Question number 11. How irregular human settlements are differ from regular settlements? You know that the irregular human settlements mean shanties-like structures. Then regular human settlements mean housing schemes, planned housing schemes. Then they have some differences. Regular settlements, they have enough space, light, proper methods to disposal of garbage, and enough ventilation, and also they have no cultural and social issues. And irregular human settlements, they do not have enough space, light, and no proper methods to disposal of garbage and ventilation, and also they have some health issues and social issues and cultural issues, some sanitary issues. They have different kinds of issues because of the less space. Question number 12. Write a short note about Singharaja forest. In this type of questions, when you are writing a short note, you have to write at least 5 facts. Here I have mentioned some facts. You can write at least 5 facts. It is situated in low country wet zone. It belongs to Ratnapura district, and annual rainfall is 2000 to 2500 millimeters, and temperature is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and dark appearance inside the forest because of low sunlight inside the forest, because tree tops form a canopy structure, and it has high biodiversity, large number of animal species and also large number of plant species contained. Now you can calculate your total marks out of 40. If you like to watch this type of videos, please subscribe my channel also. Thank you.